Do you do the mistake or make a mistake? Many English learners confuse these two things, but today I will explain you in the simplest possible way so you will never mix them up. So the trick or the core rule is that do is used for tasks, responsibilities, and actions that don't produce a physical or mental object. Do a work, do an effort. But if we create or produce something physically or mentally, then we use make. Make a cake, make noise, make a problem. Let's look at some examples. First of all, tasks and work. Do homework, do the dishes, do the laundry. Routine actions. Do the cleaning, do your hair, do exercise. General actions. Do your best, do someone a favor, do business. So if it is task or responsibility, we use do. And now let's go to make. So if we create something, an object, a decision, a sound, an effect, a result. Okay, creating something physical, make a cake, make a sandwich. Creating a result or effect, make a mistake, make a decision, make progress. Creating something abstract, make a plan, make a promise, make a decision, make an effort. So, if something new happens, we use make. So, let's summarize what we have learned. Do equal work, make equal create. So if it feels like a task, we use do. If something new is produced, we use make. So if it helps you to understand the difference between do and make and where to use them, comment below and use one sentence using do or make. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye.